In a span of just 48 hours, Anchorage, Alaska experienced a snowfall exceeding 2 feet, shattering two daily records. On Wednesday, the city's daily snowfall record was broken as 9 inches of snow fell within 24 hours. National Weather Service meteorologist Nicole Sprinkles reported, quote, the previous record for November 8th was 7.3 inches of snowfall in 1982. The 8.2 inches that fell Thursday broke the record of 7.1 inches set in 1956. This marks only the fourth instance on record of Anchorage witnessing consecutive days with 9 inches of snowfall in any month. Certain areas of Anchorage, particularly those closer to the Chugach Mountains, documented up to 30 inches of snow. The severe weather conditions led to power outages, school closures, and some highway shutdowns. As the United States braces for early winter weather, freeze alerts have been issued from Texas to Maine, the Daily Express reported. New maps have highlighted states that could experience hazardous levels of snow this winter, with the looming threat of a significant El Nino freeze. According to the National Weather Service in Anchorage, snow accumulation ranged from 9 to 15.5 inches in the Sistina Valley to boot. In the vicinity of Eagle River, residents witnessed over 18 inches of snow, with more than 25 inches measured south of the city.